In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get fast delivery on Temu in 2025. To get started, open the Temu app on your phone or go to the Temu website in your browser, then sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, begin browsing for the items you want to buy. As you shop, don't just look at the product itself. Pay close attention to the estimated delivery date shown on each listing, because this is one of the most important details if your goal is to receive your order as quickly as possible. Before adding anything to your cart, check that delivery estimate carefully. Some products can arrive much sooner than others, even if they look very similar. When possible, choose the items that show the earliest estimated delivery times. This simple step can make a big difference, especially if you're ordering multiple products and want the whole purchase to move quickly. Once you've chosen the items with the best delivery timing, go ahead and add them to your cart. After that, proceed to checkout. At this stage, Temu may offer more than one shipping option depending on your location. If that happens, select the fastest shipping option available. This is the key point where you can directly influence how quickly your package is processed and delivered. Next, enter your shipping address and verify that every detail is correct. Make sure things like your street address, apartment or unit number, if needed, city, postal code, and region are accurate. Even a small mistake here can cause delays, so it's worth taking a few extra seconds to double check everything before moving on. After confirming your address, complete your payment and place the order. Once the order has been submitted, your main job is to monitor its progress. You can do that by going to the Your Orders section in your Temu account. There, you'll be able to track your shipment and stay updated on where it is in the delivery process. If you want the best chance of fast delivery, the overall strategy is simple. Shop carefully, compare estimated delivery dates before adding items, choose the fastest shipping option at checkout, and make sure your address is entered correctly. Following these steps helps reduce avoidable delays and gives your order the best chance of arriving as soon as possible. And that's how to get fast delivery on Temu in 2025.